Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We back. Welcome back to my crazy channel. I'm sorry, maybe there's a background noise alongside my voice, so I'm sorry for inconvenience. But today we're gonna talk about I found this so interesting that LED strip. There is a 4-pin here, 12-volt GRB, not RGB, GRB, but that's okay. So in case you want to make we can control this. You want to make a controller or something like that, because might be there's a controller included in here, but I believe you want to control by yourself. You made your own controller. I create a simple, maybe not that simple. We can control the LED strip here, the LED strip, using the Arduino, whatever you have there, nano, no smaller, better. But the important thing that we have a 3-pin PWM, because we want to drive the LED strip here with the digital signal, but leveling digital signal. It's called the PWM. So in case you don't know the PWM, you might want to search what is a PWM. This is actually like an analog but controlled by digital signal. It has a cycle of duty or something like that. But we know that the Arduino itself, the PWM output is maximum is 5 voltage, if I believe, if I'm not wrong. So we cannot drive this LED strip directly, because the LED strip, as we have seen here, this is a 12 volt actually. 12 volt. So we're gonna need a MOSFET to drive our LED strip, and then the PWM signal comes into the gate pin, and the drained pin of the MOSFET out connected to the LED strip pin. So in here we will energize the LED strip with 12 volt DC. Whenever you have maybe you want to decorate your PC case with LED strip, so you can connect to PC PSO Molex 12 volt, but make sure that you are not connect to the wrong pin, because the Molex pin have a 4-pin Molex. Here let me show, for example, this one. So this red connector is 5 volt. So if you want to use this Molex connection on your PC, you have to connect the yellow one. This yellow one is 12 volt. Or if you're not sure the voltage output of this connection, you can just measure the voltage from the output here. But I believe that this is a standard color from the Molex pin, so maybe there's a custom color, I don't know, but I believe this yellow is 12 volt and the red one is 5 volt. So you have to connect this yellow and black to energize your LED strip. Okay, here and if you want to decorate your home, you can use a 20 volt DC, but remember, do not energize this LED strip directly to your AC outlet connector, to 20 volt AC, because it will be damage your LED strip. Okay, so we back to our business here. In the schematic I can show here there is a PWM in this sketch, I believe Arduino Nano. Okay, wait, I try maybe Arduino Nano pin out. We're gonna see here. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one, Arduino version number 3. So here we can see that 9, 10, 11, pin number 9, 10, 11 is PWM signal, so it means that we can connect to 9. Here I use 9 to energize to control the red LED, and 10, 11 green and blue, and so on. But make sure that your connection here is not a change, not shifted unintendedly. So you're gonna make sure that you connect to the correct connection. So okay, let's go to our so now we are in Arduino IDE. In here, my Arduino IDE already connected to the COM4. I believe COM4. Yes, COM4. If you want to see how I set up, this is only simulation. Okay, so this is should not be shown here. I'm sorry. Okay, I have this is a LED RGB LED only for simulation purpose. So it's connected to, this is a common cathode, I believe, because the negative or ground connection connected to the ground of Arduino, and then pin 9, 11 and 9, 10, 11 connect to the sequentially RGB. Okay, this is just a simple setup, but you make sure that your pin is not connected to wrong pin of this LED. This is only simulation purpose. I just want to show how to control the RGB LED. Thing first. Okay, go quit this. I'm sorry. So in here, we're gonna define some string that we receive from the serial port. So this is string data received from serial port. Okay, maybe I would like to add some delimiter or something. This is in case we want to see the delimiter. Just annoying delimiter. Maybe something like that. We can. So we set the red pin in 9. So integer LED pin is 9. This is LED red LED. So instead of typing, just copy paste this 9, 10, 11. So I change here red, green, and blue. Okay, this is our declaration variable. So now we need to define serial.begin on the void setup. So serial.begin, I believe we have 9600. If you're not sure your connection, you can go to device manager and see the Arduino connected with a 9600 BPS. Okay, so here then we go to we create a while there's no serial, we do nothing, do nothing. Okay, and then we're gonna set the pin mode. I'm sorry, this is the same variable, so a red pin, no, maybe LED red, LED green, and LED blue. Okay, maybe double that. So in here I'm gonna check this pin is correctly connected to our board. I think I got it wrong. Wait, I need to look at the RGB LED. Is the common cutout, so I see here R. Okay, we have set up our pin based on this, so I'm gonna close this first. Oops. Okay, back to our business in here. So we'll do the thing, okay, and then we're gonna set our pin mode. Pin mode is 11 as an output. Copy this several times. Maybe we'll make it sequencing 9. Okay, so now we're gonna run our code now. No, not yet, not done. So we'll set this if what we call this is serial available. If the counter that we receive is bigger than 0. Okay, so we run this guy with serial that we declared on the top here. With serial, I'm gonna copy paste for easy. Let's say like read sorry, serial dot, I'm gonna add read string maybe, because we're gonna add we want to read a string to the side directly. Okay, first we gotta test this. Okay, serial dot white line. We want to make sure that our code is running. Serial dot right, no, that's on C sharp. Sorry, I'm sorry. This is a print line, right? Print line or read. Read serial. Okay, we try compile sketch. And we try to upload. the serial monitor here, if I type my name, yeah, it should give you feedback of what you're okay also. So now let me change this. First, because of I'm sorry, I forgot to show you serial monitor here. We're gonna send a code, hex code to serial monitor, and then it will trigger our LED color. So for example, we send hex code say FF. Might be it's better that I use a software like a color picker. This is a free software, so I take this color maybe. Oh, I'm sorry. This one. Yeah, this code maybe. For example, we send this code. So we want to get the first two for the red color. This two is green, and the last two is for blue. Okay, so it means that if we receive that one, we're gonna take the string with serial 1. It means this is for the red color, so with serial this one we're gonna take only 2 characters, so substring, substring, I believe substring in C, substring, something like this, from index 0 to okay. So because of we have 3 color, red, green, blue, so I copy this into 2 until 4, and then 4 to 6. In case you want to know what is a substring, you can search Google what is a substring. Actually it will gonna take only, for example, the code that we take is just now is, I'm sorry, this is messed up. Actually this one, for example, this. So the first thing that we take from this serial 1 is substring 0 until 2, so it only take D6, so it will only take the 3, 2, and then this guy I believe is only take 2, 2, something like that. Okay, so okay, we're gonna test first. Maybe if you're not sure what is the result, you can serial the print each, this one with serial 1, and oh yeah, okay, now we're gonna use this as a separation between each color code. I copy this and paste, but this guy is 2 and the last one is 3, but you gotta use the serial print line. Okay, so okay, we compile and upload. Okay, for example, the code that we want to send is this one from serial, so let's take this. So D6, 3, 2 and 2, 2. You see here with serial 1, this is the second read serial 2 and read serial 3. This is a substring of read serial. The serial code is fully, so we only take this 6, the first only. So okay, this code is running as well, so I just need to maybe, in case I just left this as it is. So now we're gonna convert the string into the hex representation, but we're gonna use the integer maybe, yeah, because we're gonna drive from 0 to 255 for each pin. So I'm gonna say this is a red follow, and then string too long. Yeah, if this is a C function, we can search read serial 1. We're gonna take D6 here, and then this is null terminated, and the format data is 16 because the hexa that we take is 16-digit format. I think this is a okay. We can copy first this. This is not a red follow, maybe red green and blue follow. Okay, we try to okay, cannot convert string to constructor. Okay, so we have to use this C string array. What is this? I think you can read from Google. This is, I believe, yeah, get C string returns to a pointer to an array that contains now terminated sequence of characters. Okay, so this function we're gonna use to convert our string to a character array. So we're gonna add the same function here. Okay, we're gonna test first. Serial 1C. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, mistype. Sorry. Oh no, this is 2. Don't forget, this is 3. What is that? Oh yeah. Again the same mistake. Okay, now we're gonna print this. We're gonna see what file, what is the result of the conversion here. So copy and upload, and I'm gonna try to send the code something like D6. Yeah, this is the correct one. So 21440. So if the color here, we take this code on the RGB integer format. So no, I'm sorry, RGB like this maybe. No, yeah, this one. So 214 40 and 34. This is for RGB. So this is the same like we is shown here, RGB. So now we're gonna control our LED. I'm gonna close this, and the last thing is, because we want to write our PWM pin here, we use a command like analog write. So the what pin that we want to write is the LED write first. And what value? This value. Okay, we do the same thing like for green and blue. Green LED, I believe. What? LED green. And the last one is for blue. And the blue to follow. Okay. Now I don't know if we require to flush, maybe serial.flush. So we remove all the value inside the serial, so upload. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what is the effect of our configuration. So here get set up, and then go to serial monitor. We take our code color, our code color here. Use hex code. What if I send this? Okay. This is not shown correctly, so I want to take another color code. Maybe this one. Maybe. What is the value of here? This guy. Oh, sorry. Understand this? Okay. I'm sorry, I don't have a fancy camera or something like that, so I cannot show you what is the real color of, but this is maybe in the real life you're gonna see the better picture. You have fancy camera or something. I don't have, I'm sorry, so I'm gonna try the maybe more orange color. This code I send. Okay, this effect, you can see the changes, but if I change the green one, where's the green? Maybe I just need to use from here RGB diagram. Maybe they have, yeah, something like here. Okay, we're gonna copy this code. What is this? Okay, this code I copy and we send to our serial monitor. Yeah, I think this is, can you see that, the color? I'm sorry. That's a blue one. This is maybe it's look better. So that's how we control it. But actually, if you want to control the LED strip effect with, you're gonna set up like this, the program, something like that. And the next one, we're gonna make our simple application on the Visual Studio that we can send the hexa code from our application, and then we'll control our LED. Okay, so see you for the next video.